Let's explore privacy requirements using Microsoft Priva. Privacy is top of mind for organizations and consumers today, and concerns about how personal data is handled are steadily increasing. To meet regulatory requirements and build customers' trust, organizations need to take a privacy by default stance and empower individuals to have control over their data. Robust privacy solutions are essential not only in ensuring regulatory adherence but also in cultivating a culture of transparency, accountability, and respect for user privacy. Microsoft Priva is a set of solutions that support privacy operations across an organization's data landscape. Together, these solutions help your organization consolidate privacy protection across your data landscape and standardize compliance and streamline regulation adherence, and encourage greater user confidence, accelerate digital transformation, and mitigate privacy risk. The Microsoft Priva family of solutions empowers organizations to automate the management, definition, and tracking of privacy procedure at scale to help ensure that personal data stays private, secure, and compliant with regulations. There are multiple solutions provided by Priva. Solutions that are in preview are consent management, privacy assessments, subject rights requests for data beyond Microsoft 365, and tracker scanning. Solutions that are generally available are privacy risk management and subject right requests for data within Microsoft 365 family. Priva consent management makes it easier for organizations to manage and track customer consent for personal data, no matter where it is stored, whether it is in structured databases, unstructured files, or across different cloud services. This tool offers customizable consent models and a centralized way to publish these models across multiple regions. Priva privacy assessment help you automatically discover, document, and evaluate how personal data is used across your organization. This tool automates privacy assessment and help build a complete compliance record for the responsible use of personal data. Priva privacy risk management gives you a clear view of your organization's data and potential privacy risk. It allows you to create easy to customize policies that identify and help mitigate privacy risk in your data estate. Priva subject rights requests simplifies and speeds up the process of responding to data subject inquiries. It automates workflows, provides insights, and helps organizations fulfill requests efficiently and confidently. The new preview feature extends this capability to data beyond Microsoft 365, which will help manage requests across your entire data estate. Priva tracker scanning helps organizations automate the identification and management of tracking technologies on their website. This tool scans for trackers, evaluates and manages web trackers, and streamlines compliance reporting to ensure website privacy compliance. We will only discuss the solutions that are GA in next few slides, but feel free to explore others on the Microsoft Learn page. Privacy risk management in Microsoft Priva gives you the capability to set up policies that identify privacy risk in your Microsoft 365 environment and enable easy remediation. Privacy risk management policies are meant to be internal guides and can help you detect or expose personal data so that users can secure it, spot and limit transfers of personal data across departments or regional borders, and help users identify and reduce the amount of unused personal data that you store. Privacy risk management offers built-in templates for these scenarios to help you easily create policies. You can also fine-tune your approach by creating custom policies using any one of the templates as a starting point. Privacy risk management policy options help you address three key areas of privacy concerns. Whether you are using a default template or customizing it to meet specific needs, privacy risk management can help you find issues in these areas and guide your users through recommended steps for remediation. First concern is limit data overexposure. Data overexposure policies help you identify and fix situations where your stored data isn't properly secured. For instance, if too many people can access an internal site or if permission settings are outdated, personal data could be at risk of a breach. These policies check for such risk and alert you to potential issues. Privacy risk management can notify you about public data or data with limited access within your organization. It also provides solutions like making content private, notifying content owners, or tagging items for further review. Second concern is find and mitigate data transfers. Transferring personal data can be risky, especially when it's sent outside your organization or between different departments or regions. For example, unencrypted emails or unauthorized recipients can compromise data security. Data transfer policies in privacy risk management help you spot and control these transfers. These policies monitor transfer between regions, departments, or outside your organization. If a risky transfer is detected, you can notify users via email to take corrective actions like making content private, notifying content owners, or tagging items for review. And third concern is minimize stored data. Over time, companies accumulate a lot of personal data from customers and employees, including data that's no longer needed. To reduce privacy risk, it's important to minimize this stored data. Data minimization policies help manage this. These policies identify data stored for a long period and suggest actions like marking items for deletion, notifying content owners, or tagging items for further review to improve storage practices and limit privacy risk. Let's discuss subject rights requests for data within Microsoft 365. Many privacy laws worldwide allow individuals or data subjects to request access to or manage the personal data companies have collected about them. These requests, known as data subject requests, can be challenging for companies that store large amounts of information, often involving a time-consuming and manual process. The Microsoft Priva subject rights request solution helps simplify and speed up this process. It offers automation, insights, and workflows to help organizations handle requests more confidently and efficiently. How Priva supports subject right request fulfillment? Let's unpack steps. Priva integrates automation and robust workflow tools throughout the subject rights request process. When you create a request, Priva identifies and collects relevant data and provides tools for collaborative analysis. Using Microsoft 365 capabilities, Priva quickly identifies personal data types in your organization's data. Once a request is made, the solution immediately starts finding files, emails, sites, and chats containing the subject's personal data. Depending on the volume of data, retrieval happens within few hours. For large data sets, you can refine search parameters before data collection. Priva helps prioritize which data to review by providing insight and suggestions on important items. Priority items may include confidential files or those containing multiple individuals' personal data, highlighting content that might need redaction or spatial handling. Upon creating a request, Priva automatically sets up a dedicated team channel. Relevant stakeholders can collaborate, analyze, and make decisions about the retrieved data. Built-in redaction tools allow collaborators to mark up files directly in the review screen, and you can tag items for follow-up actions as needed. After reviewing and selecting the data for the request, Priva generates reports for you. These reports include the data package to be sent to the data subject, audit logs, and a summary of tag files for any necessary follow-up actions. Priva automation capabilities can be extended using built-in Power Automate templates for common tasks like setting calendar reminders or creating records in ServiceNow. Additionally, the Microsoft 365 Subject Right Request API can be used to enhance your existing subject right strategy with more automation. Hope now you have a good understanding about Microsoft Priva and its generally available solutions and the upcoming solutions.